Okay, go ahead and take the card. I mean the marker, whatever it's called. And can you sign this card? Thank you. And have that. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, because I'm going to the bank with it. Can you sign this one right here?
My name?
Yes.
Giovanna.
Giovanna.
Name is too long.
This is gonna take. This is gonna take a while.
Do a short name. Short name, yeah.
Giovanna.
Just whatever signature you write on your check. Okay. Okay. So we have two signatures, right? One that's written by you and the other that's written by Jody, right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now if I did this right, this card should be completely blank on both sides. And on the back of Jody's card should be
Giovanna. Really?
No way.
That's wow.